In this video, I'll show you how to order from AliExpress using a PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to aliexpress.com. Then log in to your AliExpress account. Once you're on the homepage, browse through different categories, deals, and recommended products. Now, search for the product you want to buy using the search bar at the top or browse through the categories. When you find a product you like, click on it to open the product details page. On this page, you can check the product price, description, ratings, reviews, and shipping details. Make sure to review everything carefully before placing your order. Next, select the required options such as size, color, or quantity, depending on the product. After selecting the options, click the Add to Cart button if you want to continue shopping, or click Buy Now if you want to place the order immediately. On the checkout page, enter your shipping address and select your preferred shipping method. Next, choose your payment method such as a credit card, debit card, or another available payment option and enter your payment details. Finally, review your order summary and click the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.